Hi, and welcome to Learning Unit 4 of Page SEO. In this series, you'll be learning how to execute effective off-page SEO strategies to build high-quality backlinks to your website. There are different categories of links when it comes to SEO. Internal links, external links, and backlinks are just some of the many categories. MustShareNews.com, for example, has an external link to Equinet. But from Equinet's perspective, it's called a backlink. Further down the page, there are hyperlinks within the page, but to different pages within MustShareNews.com. This is known as an internal link. Internal links are hyperlinks that users can click on to navigate to another URL on the same website. External links are hyperlinks that users can click on to navigate to another URL on a different website. A backlink is simply a hyperlink from one website to another, from the perspective of the receiver. So what is backlink building? Backlink building refers to the process of getting other websites to create hyperlinks back to your website. Acquiring backlinks from relevant authority sites are very important if you want to rank well on the search engines. This is because these backlinks are difficult to acquire, and they signal to search engines that the website is a trusted source, leading to higher rankings for the entire website. So what makes a quality backlink? First, we want to get backlinks from websites with high trust and authority. By doing so, some of the authority will be passed on to your website, boosting your trust and authority. Many SEO tools refer to this as the domain authority or domain rating, depending on the tool you're using. To find out what the domain authority of a website is, we can use an SEO tool like Ahrefs Site Explorer, key in the website and find out the domain score from a scale of 0 to 100. The higher the number, the higher the trust and authority of the website. This leads us to the next point, PageRank, also sometimes referred to as page authority or URL rating. For the purpose of inclusion of different terms used by different tools, we'll use domain score and page score for the remainder of the videos. The page score is different from domain score in that it refers to the authority being passed from one page to another. Domain score, on the other hand, is the consolidated page score of all the pages of a website. Besides authority, link relevancy is also important. Relevant signals include having the target keywords you want to rank for co-occurring near the link or in the anchor text from a source in the same industry or similar topic, and including links to other websites in the same industry or similar topic. For example, the topic of this post is about digital marketing courses, which links to Equinet's digital marketing course with a relevant anchor text. It is also linked to the Singapore Management University's course, which covers digital marketing aspects as a co-citation. These send relevant signals to search engines and can positively impact keyword rankings of the linked websites. Where the link is placed also plays an important factor to how valuable the link is. Backlinks in the main content body send the highest positives off-page signals, while backlinks from the sidebar and footer are not as strong. The longer the backlink remains live also contributes to increased positive ranking signals over time. Acquiring high-quality backlinks with the mentioned properties can significantly boost the rankings of your target pages. There are some links that are tagged with the rel nofollow tag. In such cases, search engines are told not to pass trust and authority over to the targeted page. The link still functions as a normal link, but since it does not pass trust or authority, it will not impact your rankings. The rel nofollow tag is written in the code of the hyperlink and is not visible by users. Users will still be able to click on the link like any other ordinary link. This is usually done by webmasters who, for whatever reason, don't trust the source that they are linking to, thus preventing the page rank from flowing to the given source. There are other rel tags, including rel UGC, which signals to the search engines that the link had been generated by web users rather than the webmaster, and rel sponsored, which suggests that the link had been acquired through paid means. All these links block trust and authority from passing over, and Google decides when and what signals they choose to use in determining the rankings of that web page. So in summary, we want to get highly relevant links from highly authoritative web pages. We also want link diversity by getting a large number of unique websites linking to our website. link diversity basically means having hundreds of websites linking back to you as opposed to hundreds of links from only one website source. In the next video, we'll be talking about social signals and how they affect SEO. See you again shortly.